In this presentation, we will be seeing about marine capture fisheries molluscs. Introduction. Molluscus is the second largest phylum of the invertebrate animals. Molluscs have a soft, unsegmented body, and most kinds have an external calcareous shell. Molluscus fisheries have come up as important fisheries to earn from the seas. Commercial importance has induced areas involvement of many people of the coastal to earn livelihood from the sources of seas. Molluscus is the second largest phylum in the world. There are over 1 lakh species, but we are going to see only 5 species: clams, cockle, mussel, oyster, cephalopods. Edible molluscs. There are many types of edible molluscs: clams, oyster, mussels, scallops, squid, octopus, abalone, snails. These are just a few examples, and there are many more mollusk species enjoyed in different culinary traditions around the world. Oyster culture. CMFRI has taken up pilot project for large-scale culture of edible Asterian tuticorin. The techniques of oyster farming comprise 2 items: collection of spat by employing different artificial substrata such as lime-coated files, oyster shells strung on galvanized iron wire, empty coconut shells, and rubberized coir mats. The season for the spot collection varies with the species, locality, temperature, salinity, and tide. Edible oyster fishery in India. There are 11 species of edible oysters recorded from the Indian waters, but only 4 of them are of commercial importance, namely Crostiera griffoides, C. discoides, C. madrazensis, and C. cuculata. The first 2 C. griffoides and C. discoides are more abundant along the northwest coast. Carp and cockle fishery in India. The carps and cockles inhabit primarily the estuaries and backwaters. Most of the species of carp and cockles are edible, but they are primarily used for manufacturing lime by oxidation of the shells. Among the carps, those belonging to the family Venerate are the most important in the carp fishery in India. The common species are cephalopods. Cephalopods are a diverse group of marine animals, including octopuses, squid, cuttlefish, and nautiluses. They have advanced nervous systems, incredible camouflage abilities, and use jet propulsion for movement. Mollusk culture. Mollusk culture or mariculture involves the controlled cultivation of mollusk species like oysters, mussels, and clams for commercial purposes. It is economically important, providing seafood and other products, and can benefit the environment by providing water quality through filter feeding. Importance of mollusk culture. Economic impact. Mollusk farming is a significant economic contributor in many coastal regions. It generates income not only through the sale of mollusks but also by creating jobs in harvesting, processing, and distribution. Pearl production. Certain mollusk species, such as the pearl oyster, are cultivated for their pearls. Pearl farming is a valuable niche with mollusk culture, producing highly sought after gemstones. Sustainable seafood production. Mollusk culture helps meet the growing global demand for seafood without depleting wild fish stocks. This sustainable practice reduces the pressure on overfished species and contributes to the long-term seafood availability. Challenge in mollusk culture. Mollusk culture faces several challenges, including disease outbreaks, environmental variability, pollution, habitat degradation, invasive species, market fluctuations, regularity compliance, climate changes, and threats from predators and fouling organisms. Addressing these challenges is crucial for the sustainability and success of mollusk farming operations. Research and conservation. Research in mollusk culture encompasses studies on mollusk biology, disease management, genetics, environmental impact, and climate resilience. Conservation efforts involve protecting wild stocks, habitat restoration, education, regularity measures, and ongoing monitoring. Both research and conservation are essential for sustainable mollusk farming and the preservation of marine ecosystem. The future of mollusk culture. The future of mollusk culture is expected to involve advancements in technology, selective breeding, and sustainable practices. Climate resilience, market diversification, and evolving regulatory frameworks and ongoing research will shape the industry as it strives for sustainability and adaptation to changing environmental conditions and consumer preferences. Conclusion. In conclusion, mollusk culture plays a vital role in providing sustainable seafood, supporting local economies, and contributing to environmental conservation. The challenge it faces, such as disease management and climate change adaptation, are driving innovation and research within the industry. Conservation efforts aim to protect wild stocks and restore coastal habitats. As the world continues to grapple with environmental and food security challenges, mollusk culture stands as an important pillar in the sustainable seafood industry, promising a future that combines technological advancements with responsible practices to meet global demands while safeguarding marine ecosystems. Thank you.